All right, guys, here we go. We got the Tenda. This is their Wi-Fi 7 wireless router, and I'm super excited. It's the BE7200 dual band Wi-Fi 7 router, the BE12 Pro. This is the top of the line, the creme de la creme, the big guy from Tenda. Super cool product, powerful computing. It's going to go up to, I read this on here, let me see, you're going to pull wireless rate up to 7141 Mbps. You have 2.5 GE ports, three GE ports, and then it has the massive coverage for it. And there's something I'm looking for. What it's going to pull. I mean, the rate of this thing is supposed to be unbelievable. So we're going to get into that, but what you guys want to see is the setup of it. I am running this in conjunction with our mesh system, and the reason I'm doing that is because I need to get some Wi-Fi really far out on the property so that we can have some good connection on all the stuff we have going on. So we're going to set this guy up, go ahead and power it on. We're going to download the app, hopefully get everything rocking and rolling and just kind of take a full look at it. Now, some of it might be a little bit more difficult than others, but we're going to figure it out together. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here we go. You got 5 high-performance antennas. That's unbelievable. You got the proper wireless security on here. And it just knocked my phone over. That's okay. Boom. Bop. And there we go. Let's go ahead and see. I'll be honest with you, super lightweight. You know, some new wireless routers are definitely like on the heavier side, or just not very functional. And this thing is slick. It looks good. Like, that is way it's going to stand up right there. Like, what wireless router do you see in the market that stands there always laying down, right, with the antennas popping up? And this is one that is going to stay up just like that. So, yeah, kind of pumped. I have this already connected, like I said, to my mesh system that we run throughout the house. And we're going to be adding this to add some additional power and go ahead and get all the stuff that we need. So you got your power cable right here. Let's see here. This is a little Tenda. I don't know what this piece is for. Oh, NFC chip. I'm not sure what that's for. We have our guide, supplier stuff, and then you do get a little baby Cat 6 cord that comes with it, but I don't need that. I'm already running one. So let's go ahead and pop all this stuff off to the side as we do not need it anymore. Get that out of here. All right. So here is the system itself. Looks really nice. Super small. In conjunction, laptop, it's like the size of like a 15-inch laptop. It's kind of what we're working, or maybe like a 13. On the back, you have a few buttons here. You have your small little reset button. Here you have your mesh WPS button, so you can flip it and change it. You have 5 different ports. You have the 1 of 2, and this is the 2.5 GE, and then your regular GE cords, and then you have your power button on our power connection on that side, and that's it. I mean, this thing is super simple. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. So we got a quick installation guide. So first one is going to be connecting the cable. So we want to connect everything up. We're going to be going to our modem, Ethernet, jack, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and make that happen. Connect our power source. Let's go ahead and do this together and follow the process. All right. So we have our connection. As always, in my opinion, you're going to run power first. So anytime you are setting up any type of router or whatever it might be like this, you always want to connect the power and then the cable to it. That's important. So let's go ahead and do this. Boom. And bop. Wow. Let's go get that power and connect. Okay, so mesh networking. To expand a network created by a Tenda Wi-Fi mesh or system router, follow the steps. So that's what we have to do. So we got to look for that. In room where new router replaced, we're going to connect the router, wait for it to blink slowly. Okay, so we're going to turn this on, and it says to turn it on, and then it will blink. Green will blink slowly. So you have the little green dot right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is super important. Okay. It is not blinking at all, but we're going to give it a minute. We're going to give it a minute. Nothing. that's okay. Uh-oh. I think we got like a little bit of a pulse going on there. That's good. So I have my Cat 5 cable, or Cat 6, Cat 5e cable that we're going to be running, and we're going to take a look here, and it is now solid green. Oh, there's our blinking. There's our real blinking, as you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. Boom. Okay. So we're going to plug this guy into LAN. So number 1. So they are in order. 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and then there are regular ones. We're going to go in spot 1 of 1. Okay. Connected. There she goes. So it should turn green. So we got flash blinking here, and when the new router's indicator turns solid green, it joins the network as a secondary node, uses the same Wi-Fi name. So there we have it. Now, on the phone itself, I will show you guys this. You want to download the app. So they have the Tenda Wi-Fi app. That's what you're going to be downloading right there. So I want to make sure that we're doing that. iOS or Android, you can get in here and do that. iOS 9.0 or later, Android 4.0 or later for it. I've already got this downloaded. So let's see here in the phone with the bajillion apps. There you go. That's the app popping up. We got a solid green, and then sending notifications. Got it. It's already connecting it, which is super cool. So we're going to allow once. Hit next. It's got like a little AI assistant here. And my device has already popped up. That's how easy it is on my mesh system already. It's already popped up, which is super important. And you have the chat option. Okay. Tenda Wi-Fi. And then we need to register an account. Got it. Got it. Obtain a verification code. So to register your account, then you're going to obtain a registration code. So we're going through the process here. It's going to send via email. Okay, got it. That was super lightning fast, right? Absolutely lightning fast. We got to set a password. Got it. Already in. Confirming password. An account is registered. Guys, in just a matter of moments, we got to allow the device. Okay. Successfully disabled. If you want to enable it later, we're going to add device, and we are going to add our router. Boom. And then connected. Okay, connected Wi-Fi. Already popping up on here. This is fantastic. Open the Wi-Fi setting on the phone. Connected device. Okay, connected. Got it. Scanning. Okay, we're moving. That's how quick this is. Man, this thing is lightning fast. So we're scanning for devices here already. Now, I am going to go over to my mesh system and see what's popping on the mesh system. So here we go, devices, and we should see, where did it pop up at? Tenda, right there. There it is. Tenda pops up. So connected wired activity, and has everything showing up here in the phone in my mesh system, which is super important. And now we have a connection made. Guys, it was that simple. Absolutely that simple at the end of the day. Now, make sure when you are setting up your system, a couple things you want to do, and I did a little bit of research on this because I wanted to make sure I explain it right. So if you are running a current mesh system, whether it's the Tenda system or not, you have some directions you need to follow, but you want to open it up in operations mode, and you want to disable the DHCP. When you do that, and then you also want to turn off the Wi-Fi. So, I'm sorry, you want to make sure this is far enough away that it's not going to have a dual signal or a dual access point. So you want to do it to access point mode so you can access this one separately so that you're not having a crossover, because when you get to the end of one, you want to make sure that you're connecting to this one. This is going to have a stronger signal. Plus, you do not want to run a system that you're going to have multiple IP addresses broadcasting, because that could run some interference issues for you too. So definitely connect that. Now, we're just talking on the simple side of things here. And so that's what matters. So this is the simple stuff, simple setup here, which definitely makes it super easy to use. You have the ability connecting your devices and taking care of everything without any problems. Now, I already have this connected in the system. It was that simple to set up. I just need to go in and do some reconfiguration with just like the stuff I was telling you to make sure we're not going to have any crazy overlap, and that's what you want to do. Guys, this is a Tenda system. This thing is awesome. Lightning fast internet access is coming with it. You got the 5 antennas, and then you have dual 2.5 Ethernet port, Ethernet ports, and then that's sweet, right? Like, I don't know, if you need lightning fast internet, you're going to get it out of Tenda. So guys, at the end of the day, you know what we always say, definitely check it out.